Running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh, I'm so high, so high. I'ma raise the aeroplanes up in the sky. Suitcase. I'm getting close, now I can taste it. Flavors bitter, still so sweet. I see the finish line ahead. Oh, now I'm in Wonderland. I won't ever come down. I'm so high, so high. I'ma raise the aeroplanes up in the sky. I'm so high, so high. I'ma dream and fall asleep on clouds tonight. Can't you see? I'm so high, so high. I'ma raise the aeroplanes up in the sky, in the sky. I'm so high, so high. I'ma dream and fall asleep on clouds tonight.
So you're back on the ground.
Hey,
What do you think?
awesome.
Great.
Fantastic. And look at this beautiful sunset. ReMax has got their balloon out with us.
And you got a picture of old technology and new technology right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
All in the same picture.
Yep.
Plus the evidence.
The first form of flying is sitting right there in the foreground with the plane flying in the background. Thank you, Montgolfier brothers. The winds have welcomed you with softness. The sun has blessed you with his warm hands. You have flown so high and so well that God has joined you in your laughter and sets you gently back into the loving arms of Mother Earth. May your skies always be blue, your winds gentle, and your landings as soft as today. Cheers. 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 Yep. Cheers. Yep.